Hi there! Welcome to Taiwan Mandarin with Mavis. In today's video, we're going to learn about the consonants in the Bopomofo system. You probably already have heard of Bopomofo or Zhuyin, which is the phonetic system commonly used in Taiwan. And it is the first thing that every local Taiwanese student learns in the elementary school. And trust me, as native Taiwan Mandarin speakers, we struggled. My friends' kids are struggling, and so will you. So, as nice as I am, to help you feel less overwhelmed, I will break the 37 Zhuyin characters into 4 videos, 2 for consonants and 2 for vowels. Are you ready to tackle the first 11 consonants with me now? Let's do this! By the way, don't forget to stay until the end of the video to learn some words that start with these 11 consonants. The first consonant is B. Repeat after me. B. B. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol B in Pinyin, which is also B. B. Still not sure how to say it? Try to do this with me to relax your lips. B. 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 Did you get it? Next we have P. Repeat after me. P. P. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol P in Pinyin, which is also P. P. Want to say it more correctly? Try this. P. 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 I think we got it. Here we got M. Repeat after me. M. M. The equivalent will be how you pronounce the symbol M in Pinyin, which is also M. M. Think of it as one of the first sounds babies make pretty universally. M. 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 Next up is F. Repeat after me. F. F. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol F in Pinyin, which is also F. F. Need a little tip? This one is rather simple. It's just like saying, what the fudge? F. 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 Easy, right? Did you realize the first 4 consonants all involve your lips touching to make the sounds? B, P, M, F. The 5th consonant is D. Repeat after me. D. D. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol D in Pinyin, which is also D. D. So do you know how to say D? Duh. Exactly. D. 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 Then here comes T. Repeat after me. T. T. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol T in Pinyin, which is also T. T. A similar sound in English? What is this? Yes, a toe. Toe. T. 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 On the deck is N. Repeat after me. N. N. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol N in Pinyin, which is also N. N. Yay or nay? Nah. N. 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 This is a difficult one. L. Repeat after me. L. L. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the symbol L in Pinyin, which is also L. L. This one's a little tricky. For English speakers, you may have the tendency to make it sound like you're saying the letter L, like L. L. But in Mandarin, you'll have to move the tip of your tongue a little further back on the palate instead of having it right behind your front teeth. L, no. L, yes. Try practice a few more times and you'll get it. Now we're done with the second set of consonants. Did you realize that they all involve touching the tip of your tongue with the palate to make the sound? D, T, N, L. And next comes G. Repeat after me. G, G. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the letter G in Pinyin, which is also G, G. Wait, so how do you say G? Trust your gut. Gut. G, G, G. Here it is K. Repeat after me. K, K. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the letter K in Pinyin, which is also K, K. Similar to how gut is to G, try saying cut, cut. K, K, K. Last but not least, in today's consonant lesson, H. Repeat after me. H, H. The equivalent would be how you pronounce the letter H in Pinyin, which is also H, H. Huh? What did you say? Huh? Yes, just like that. H, H, H. For the last set of the three consonants, you've probably already noticed that your tongue and lips do not touch at all when making these sounds. G, K, H. Congratulations for making this far, yay! To celebrate your win for learning the first 11 consonants, here are some common words starting with each consonant for you to memorize. Let's review the 11 consonants we've learned today. B, P, M, F, D, T, N, L, G, K, H. B, B, 爸爸 Dad, Father, 爸爸杯子 Cup, 杯子 P, P, 葡萄 Grape, 葡萄皮球 Ball, 皮球 M, M, 毛毛虫 Caterpillar, 毛毛虫猫咪 Cat, 猫咪 F, F, 风筝 Kite, 风筝飞机 Airplane, 飞机的蛋糕 Cake, 蛋糕大象 Elephant, 大象t, 吐司 Toast, 吐司糖果 Candy, 糖果呢鸟 Bird, 鸟南瓜 Pumpkin, 南瓜蜡笔 Crayon, 蜡笔老鼠 Mouse, 老鼠Go, Dog, Go 国王 King, 国王卡片 Card, 卡片可乐 Coke, 可乐荷花 Lotus, 荷花河马 Hippo, 河马 That's all for today. Good job for sticking around. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and subscribe to my channel so we can learn Taiwan Mandarin together. You can also download the worksheets that I created for you in the description box or by scanning the QR code on the screen to practice writing and memorizing the 11 consonants we learned today in this video. As always, please feel free to leave your feedback or any requests in the comment section. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, 下次见。